Gunner's gonna love it out here.
What a dump.
This is so freaking enchanting.
We're off to a good start. We gave Gunner cookout last night, and I told Andrew not to. And
Barely,
Gunner,
I gave him like a half a tender.
okay, and so then Gunner woke up in the middle of the night, and I just thought he needed water because me and him are really dried out. And then this morning, Andrew goes to walk him, and he only pees. And then Andrew brings him back inside, and he poops right on the ground. And I was like, well, he had to go.
It's so cold out there.
But this hotel we just stayed at for the night because it was like below freezing.
Very cold.
And I'm really sick, even though we have a trip planned, but that's okay. So we're leaving this hotel and going to the actual cabin, which is over an hour away. All right, Gunner pooped again, so we got all the poop out of him.
Let's go.
I'm really glad we got a hotel last night because I still don't feel that great. And being in below freezing in the van would have made me probably way more sick. We have to stop by the grocery store, and then we'll head to the cabin. I'm going to do some cooking and get in the hot tub. We live in a van full time. However, we are not fully nomadic. My husband has a brick and mortar day job. So on weekends and when we get time off, we like to hit the road and get out of town. We ended up scoring this lovely Airbnb in Sylva, North Carolina. And let me tell you, what a beautiful, cute little place.
Where's your...
My new stickers. All right, we went to the grocery store. I got stuff to make cottage pie. Andrew got something to eat. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel good. I got mucus relief. It's basically just Mucinex. This has to be broken up. Like I can't do this anymore. If you are interested in this cabin, we will have that information linked in the description down below. We are not paid to promote this property. We just found it and enjoyed it and want to share it with you. All right, we finally made it. All right. Got this whole cabin to ourselves.
Cool door.
Oh, it's really cute. An actual fireplace. Living room.
This is super cool.
This is so cute. Little bar area. Have plenty of dishes. We have Wi-Fi. Stove, oven, kitchen, dishwasher, little kitchen area, microwave. And then I think there's 2 bathrooms. Okay, so this has a stand-up shower. Oh, there's plenty of towels and stuff. Plenty of towels. This is just like a single stand-up. And then let's go through. Oh, they have a little space here in here. Oh, here's another kitchenette thing. Another sink. Okay. I think this is like the master bedroom.
Oh, dang, that's pretty cool bed.
And then,
Oh, yeah, here's another bathroom.
what is this? A closet. Closet. And then
So cool.
this is the main bathroom.
Wow. This is badass.
Oh, it's still like a stand-up, but it's just bigger.
That's fine. TV in here too.
All right, and then there's a door to get outside. This way, and then we can also just walk this way. And then there's also a loft up here. How much was this place?
$125 a night.
$125 a night.
Plus fees and cleaning. And all.
And that like outdated motel we were at was like $100 a night.
Yeah.
This is really cute up here.
This is so cool.
I have a little view.
So, I mean, we could do this.
Giant beanbag.
I've been wanting to do this first.
Oh, look at this teddy bear.
Hey, swinging.
Look at that teddy bear. Secretly hoping it's not one of those camera teddy bears because that would be creepy, but whatever. This is so cute.
Beanbag chair.
Yeah, there's a giant beanbag chair.
It's so nice.
All right, let's go outside.
Whoa.
And
Wow.
rocking chairs. There's the river right here.
The hot tub.
What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, there's a hot tub. There's a fire pit. And there's like another fire pit out here. Okay. Can we get out this way? Here's the gate. Close it. That's nice. We can keep on up there. All right, now we'll get in it. Okay, so we go down this way. Watch yourself. Okay. Yeah, I feel like doing money. This is great. Especially what we're used to in Florida. Oh, here's a little grill because Andrew wanted. Oh, yeah, this has a little grill. Nice. Yeah, give me finicky. Gotcha. Well, that's what you want. All right, then we go down here. We have a fire pit out here. And then the river right here.
Ben's gonna love it out here.
What a dump.
This is so freaking enchanting. I love it.
Well, I got settled in and colored my hair. Both showers are white. The kitchen is white. So this was really fun. Andrew rinsed it out in the sink. But I put down a bunch of... He's trying to... You can just go up there if you... He's scared. But yeah, whenever... I live in a van, so whenever I stay at hotels or Airbnbs, like, I have to color my hair. So I do my best to not stain anything. I hope it turns out okay. I don't think he can make it. And then there's no cup. He's going to fall off that side.
All right, sorry, bud.
I don't think he can do it. All right. I blow dried and styled my hair. I used some leave-in conditioner from, what is it? Mark Anthony in like the yellow tube. And then I also used the Chi Iron Guard. And I ran out of my Chi texture spray, but that's okay. I have this Wavy Talk like miniature hair straightener. It only has like one heat setting, but it's perfect for my bangs or for shorter hair. And then to style my hair, I use this Wavy Talk heated rolling brush. It's one of the ones where it comes with like all these different parts. I'll link those because a lot of people sell these in TikTok Shop, but I just bought mine off Amazon. I've never bought anything off TikTok Shop. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I'm like very resentful of TikTok Shop because like now that's all it is on there, but that's a different conversation. But yeah, I'm glad that I got my hair done and it ended up looking really good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I'm going to start cooking soon. I'm sick and I have not even sat down and rested, honestly. This is the part of the trip where I'm going to cook. Am I sick? Yes. Do I feel like doing this? No, but I really want this food. We're gonna make a cottage pie. A cottage pie is basically like a shepherd's pie, but instead of using lamb, we're just using ground beef. I have chopped onion, garlic. You're gonna do beef broth. I'm just doing instant mashed potatoes. Like I said, I'm sick. I have a little bit of flour for thickening, Worcestershire, vegetable oil, shredded cheese, dried parsley. You can also garnish with fresh parsley. I didn't bother doing that. And then I have some regular sea salt. So let's get into it. Brown this, and then we will move on to the next step. Andrew is going to work on the mashed potatoes. If you're doing this on your own without help, just get the potatoes out of the way first. They're going to be heated up on top of everything in the oven anyways. So just get those out of the way. It's up to you how much you want. I just kind of eyeball everything, but maybe like half of a regular sized onion. And then I did 3 cloves of garlic. That should be good enough. I don't know if I'm going to use all this. Green beans, peas, carrots, corn. And notice how like I keep making like a little hole in the middle. So I push everything to the side that's already been cooked. You had one job. Come closer.
And
come closer.
I'm mixing everything, and it says, combine water, salt, butter according to chart. Heat to boil. I thought I was supposed to add the contents of the box as well, and now it's just one big like
show them
piece of paste.
Show them.
God damn it!
You had one job. Instant mashed potatoes.
Tell me how you're able.
You couldn't
is there
even
any
do.
way to boil that?
He couldn't even do instant
There's
mashed
no way.
potatoes right.
All right, well. I'm gonna be...
Did you already add the 6 cups of water?
Yeah, of course. That's why it's like that.
Slowly add in a little bit of flour. Andrew's leaving. to go get another thing of instant mashed potatoes. Poor Andrew. Alright. A little salt. Dried parsley. And I normally do Tony Chachere's, but I have this like Kingsford Cajun style. You don't have to do this part. Andrew's phone is connected. He's a mess right now. Oh my god. Andrew's phone was still connected to the speaker in here. He is... I love him, but he's not the best sous chef. I'm probably going to add a little bit more. We want to get this up to like a little bit of a boil. I'm going to make this a little bit higher. Oh, a little bit more to flour to thicken it up. Oh, wow. That's really good. Andrew's back from the store. Also, he missed the turn. I saw him drive past the river.
It's like some windy, crazy country roads out in the middle of nowhere.
There's no lights out
this
here.
Truck is riding my ass. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss my turn because I cannot see it worth shit. Like the turn off is like incredibly sharp.
The turn doesn't look like a public street. It looks like someone's driveway.
It's crazy. And I was like, ah.
Even in the daylight, we missed the turn.
So then I passed it. I saw I passed it, and I was like, God damn, this guy's on my ass. So I can't turn off the driveway there for the last time. Turn around, this guy's behind me. So then I had to wait till I got to the middle of the road, wait down the freaking road, turn off. I was like, please, I don't like and get on the little turn, but it was stressful out in the middle of nowhere. Really good.
Okay.
It could be fire.
Right. You can do this, Andrew.
Instant potatoes.
You can do this.
Gunner, you want some mashed potatoes? We got enough to feed an army over here.
Gunner's like, this is a wreck. This is crazy what y'all are doing here. Going to scoop. And I already had the oven preheated to 375. Like I said, you need more mashed potatoes than you think, so don't be shy on making a giant vat, trust me. Andrew's gonna be shocked how much potato I used. He didn't realize.
Make sure you got room for cheese.
You definitely need more potato than you think, especially depending on the size of your skillet. And just going to score it. You can, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Are you gonna cover it with cheese?
You score it first, as I'm demonstrating.
I thought that's if you didn't have cheese.
What?
I thought you scored if you didn't have cheese.
I don't know where.
What's the point of scoring?
That's just what you do.
It's just what you do.
Yeah, I said it was for aesthetic.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. It's if you don't use cheese, I think.
No, it's still gonna look good.
Okay.
As the cheese melts into the little rivets. There could be a reason for scoring that I'm unaware of. Fried parsley. This is more so for garnish. She's beautiful.
Open this way?
Yeah.
We could have more cheese than that, I think.
It's pretty good.
Okay, go ahead. Maybe in a minute, but I think we could add a bunch more. Cheese.
And this is gonna go in for about 20-25. Oh wow, it could go for a little bit longer.
You think?
Is there a
You didn't
broil?
put enough cheese on there. I would add some more cheese.
I think the cheese is fine, but add more if you want.
Let's say add a little bit more cheese.
I think it has plenty.
More cheese is better. I'm surprised you don't say. You don't like cheese.
Okay, now I think we're just gonna do 3 minutes on broil. This is beautiful.
Boom shakalaka.
And we're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes at least.
Yeah, for
it's
sure.
boiling in there.
All you gotta do that is.
That's when you know you've done it right. I'll tell you that. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh wow. This is gonna be tasty. A bite. That cheese. So good.
Well, we did it. We finally did it. All right, everybody. We're going to eat dinner and wind down. I think we might do the fire pit and the jacuzzi later. That'll probably be a separate video, though. So stay tuned for our little cabin getaway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for part 2 of our cabin getaway.